Magic-Ray Semiconductor Bonding AOI machine SW6000. It is suitable for IGBT and power component packaging, post-die, and wire bonding defect detection. It has features of high-speed imaging, high-precision inspection, and high-efficiency programming. It can achieve comprehensive 3D inspection of chip, bonding wire, solder joint, DBC, pin, and other part. It uses structured light to reconstruct 3D images and achieve the effect of 2D and 3D simultaneous imaging. Compared with side cameras and linear laser scan solutions on the market, structured light has obvious advantages. It is equipped with a marble and linear motor platform to ensure stable operation of the equipment. It adopts a 5 resolution optical configuration, 2 to 7 optional, which can achieve 10 level defect inspection, and can also be equipped with a 2 solution to achieve 3 to 5 crack detection. SW6000 uses AI recognition to achieve fast programming. It can realize automatic contour recognition of bonding wires, solder joints, ceramic layers, and other areas, and can also do group management with similar lines. It can be equipped with automatic loader and unloader, AI separator, etc., and also supports completely offline programming and centralized review, which is more convenient for customers to do centralized management. Semiconductor Bonding AOI SW6000 3D inspection for ensuring bonding quality. Magic-Ray technology.